what's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We'll be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut fog light tint on this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. This is a air release film we're going to be showing you. We do have this available in a few different color options on the website. If you do get linked to this video and it says a wet application, the process is the same way. You just would use a slip solution instead of doing it completely dry. So vehicle prep, you want to make sure that surface and surrounding area is clean. Just car soap and water. Wash at least that area of the vehicle. Once that dries off, you could go ahead and wipe it down with a microfiber with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and then once that is completely dried off, you could start the installation. Your tint will be marked driver's side and passenger side. They look pretty much identical, but they are slightly different. So once you have everything cleaned, you can go ahead and get that aligned. These are slightly oversized on this opening, so you will have to tuck it a little bit, but I'm just basically aligning in the center and working the film down. You come back through the center, push all that down, working towards the outside and the top and the bottom. And then you are going to want to use one of these style tools and or a squeegee. This makes it a little bit easier, but just you want to make sure that everything is tucked in behind this plastic trim. And that is that for this one. You do want to probably go ahead and just go over this with a heat source after you're done. You could either use a heat gun or hair dryer. And if you are applying any of the films, the dry or the wet, you want to make sure the temperature is at least like 60 degrees out. And if you are applying the wet film in particular, you also want to make sure that you don't drive the vehicle until probably the next day, so that way all that excess water could dry out from behind the film. But as far as the dry application films, you don't need to wait for it to cure or anything. You can go ahead and just drive it right on. If you're interested in this product, there's a link in the video description below. We also have the link for all the other products we offer for this vehicle. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching.